welcome back. In this video, we're going to look at creating the fundamentals of a virtual tour, which is the ability to go from image to image. I'm going to show you how to do that using the quick jump hotspot, we call it. So I'm going to go into my lower photo here, and I'm going to click edit to get into edit mode. And I have an add button here, and if I click that, I have three options. And we're going to go over the polygon and the point hotspot, but for now, we're just going to quickly look at the quick jump hotspot, which actually is a point hotspot. It's just kind of a preset, but it'll get you started quickly. So the quick jump hotspot, if I click that, we're going to have this menu appear, and this will show us every snap that is inside of the current group that we're working with. Of course, because we've only uploaded 2 images, this is the only one we see, but I just need to click, hold, and drag that, and I can drop that anywhere I like. Close this down, click save, and now that's it. Now we have a link that goes and whoosh, has this nice little crossfade that goes to our other image. That's it. Okay, just kidding. Let's dive a little bit more into that, okay? So I'm going to go back to this one we were looking at before, and I'm going to go and edit. I'm going to single click this. Now, when you single click it, it opens up the properties panel, and you can see that there's a whole host of customization options you can do. Now, as I was saying before, the quick jump hotspot is kind of like a preset for you. So it's already set the icon, it's already set some properties like what type of hotspot it is, what snap it's jumping to. So that's all done for you. However, there's a whole bunch of other things that we can do as well. For example, manage start point. So you'll notice when I clicked it before, we started at the horizontal view of the next image, where maybe we want to be looking up a little bit so it feels like we've kind of zoomed up into it. So that's easy enough to do. You can manage the start point, and I'm going to say, okay, well, I want to have a custom view, and maybe they can be looking up a little bit. And yeah, we'll put it right there. And I'll click save. So we can also pick different transitions. We have a whole bunch of transitions that you can pick from here, as well as a transition designer where you can actually design your own transitions customized just the way you like them or your client. Even things like uploading your own kind of wipes and custom logos. So you can do different custom wipes into client logos and stuff like that. A whole bunch of flexibility. So for this one, let's do a zoom, shall we? A radial zoom, and because we're going to zoom up into the sky, Superman style. And I'm just going to click accept, and I'm going to click save. And so now if I click this photo, we're zoomed up into the sky. And likewise, we can kind of do the same thing going back down to the ground. So I'll click add a quick jump hotspot, and I'll just drop this down here. And I'll single click it to edit it. And I'll say, let's take a look at, we'll be looking at the ground when we go down there. And we'll be looking at my unpatched nadir down there. And for the transition, let's try something else. Let's do a curtain. Who doesn't like curtain transitions? I'm going to click save. And I'm going to go to lower photo. Whoosh. There. The curtain's open, and we're now transported to the lower photo. So that's it. For real this time. So this shows you how quickly you can get a standard virtual tour up and going when you just need to go from image to image. Let's check out the next video where we're going to dive a little bit deeper into the other things you can do with hotspots, as well as the different types of hotspots that SeekBeak offers. See you then.